Hi, welcome to Market Alert for Wednesday, 11th of December 2019. So yesterday, stocks, bonds and dollar stumbled as traders reach peak FOMO, fear of missing out. Yes, an interesting day. We saw the markets move sharply lower in the pre-market session. I'll just drag this across. You can see there quite a big sell-off initially, 150 points, just about there, just over. And then we see prices come all the way back in the pre-market session. No surprise there either, is there? Let's face it. And then we go into the cash market and prices move lower initially. We then see the buying coming into the market, prices going back above the 200 MA and right back to where we started in the pre-market session. We then get a tweet or something here where we see the market move lower by about 80 points straight down to the 200 MA and then resume a sideways move along the MA, which it did for the rest of the session, and it bounced off the DP level, so it became range bound for the remainder of the session. And the reason for this is quite simple. Tonight we have the FOMC meeting minutes and statement. This is showing at the moment that rates are going to remain at 1.75 unchanged, but it'll be interesting to see what Powell has to say in his statement. So in the daily chart, we can see the prices moving down yesterday. Like I say, they're going to do anything they can to keep this market on the highs. There's a serious problem in the repo market now, which is bubbling under the surface as well. This has increased again, I think, to it was 135 billion last night or something like that. So again, just to give the banks the liquidity they need. So it's just a matter of time, but at the moment they are desperate to keep this market on these highs. Market below the 76% retracement there, but holding at the 20 bar moving average at the moment, which is good news for the volatility. Yesterday, this sneaking up though, even though the market recovered, the volatility not discounting the recovery in futures prices yesterday, but also marking up the implied volatility there. And in the visual here, you can see we remain on an amber alert, as it were, with the volatility. But the price is just holding there at the 20 bar moving average, which we've just seen in the price chart there. Meanwhile, Bitcoin sideways to lower. The market's started to make some lower highs on the overnight and yesterday compared to Sunday, but a very quiet day again. You can see the market barely did anything, $50 if that. And then we had a bit of a shakeout, and then the market has gone back to trading in a just over a $50 range once more. So again, not a lot happening in this market at the moment. And the 4 hour, you can see there, completely sideways at the moment. So not a lot to report as far as Bitcoin is concerned. All eyes are going to be on the Dow for today, and we can see overnight the market currently above the DP level and the 200 MA there, so moving back to the upside. Okay, that will do for this one. It's brief, but I say there's not a lot to report as far as Bitcoin is concerned, and the Dow, of course, waiting for the FOMC meeting minutes this evening. Okay, that will do it for this one. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.